Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'll be making some brown stew chicken. So as you can see, I'm just seasoning the chicken. I'm showing you guys all the seasonings that I'm using. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some browning and then I'm gonna mix everything up really well. So I'm just gonna add a little ketchup inside and then mix it up again. Okay, so now I'm just cutting up a green pepper, a tomato, and an onion. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. I'm trying to stay consistent for you guys and post daily. Okay, now that the vegetables are all cut up, I'm just going to add them in the chicken and mix it in. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just putting oil in a pot and then I'm going to put my chicken in so it can fry a little bit on each side. Okay, once the chicken was done, you see I took it out. Now I'm just adding the vegetables and then I'm going to be adding some chicken broth inside. Okay, now it's time to put the chicken back inside and let it cook, and then I'll be showing you guys my plate when it's done.